Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform capital 8 into this one. So we have like this. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we have the second formula. Now, capital A that is about this one, capital B that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put 2 and go like this. So, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, f and number 1 you got number 0. So, we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So if we apply the formula, we have like this. Now we need to simplify negative n square, negative n square. So I will put number 2 gone here. So 2 with number 3 we have number 6. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. And we put number 6 go back in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.